Would you like to finally get paid for all of your personal development? Maybe you've read books, watched YouTube videos, listened to podcasts, or attended workshops. Wouldn't it be great if you could get a financial return on all that time and money that you've put into your self-education? Sure, it's been a great investment because now you feel more confident about yourself, you're feeling happier, and you're on the path towards a life that you truly love. But I know that many people are looking for a financial return on the hundreds or even thousands of dollars they've spent on improving themselves, and you may be the same. So is there actually a way to get a significant return on that investment? Is it possible that your investment in personal development can not only lead to fulfillment, but also financial freedom? Well, the answer to that question is yes, and it fits perfectly with becoming a coach. Now, for those of you who may not know, coaching is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, especially in these unique times. You see, being a coach is fundamentally where you can use all the self-development knowledge that you've learned over the years to help others achieve their goals faster and live happier lives. So think about some of your favorite books that you've read or some of your favorite processes that you've learned. Like it might be visualization or releasing emotions or a way to remove internal blocks. Well, as a coach, that's exactly what you guide your clients through. Think of all the times that you've shared advice with people around you. Well, as a coach, that's actually what you do too, except the difference is you get paid handsomely well for doing so. So in basic terms, this is what you do every day with people, whether it's through one-on-one coaching or one-to-many coaching, with things like webinars or workshops. Now, here's the thing. You simply talk to people and take them through personal development techniques that you've learned, and you get paid a pretty decent income for doing so. Now, of course, there's a structure around how you have these conversations. And when it's done correctly, you can actually make $100,000 or more in your first year as a coach. So think of it like if personal development is the fuel that helps people, then coaching is the vehicle that allows you to make money from it. Now, many people wish personal development would give them a financial return, but they don't have a vehicle. That's like wanting to travel to a destination and you've got a big can of fuel, but you've got no car. Now, the good news is it only takes the right process and structure for you to unlock all of the benefits of the personal development that you've done. Now, the cool thing about that is coaching is an extremely rewarding path. And I know because I've been a coach for more than 16 years now, and I just love what I do. I really do. And for those of you who may not know, my name is Benjamin J. Harvey, and I am actually a professionally certified coach with the International Coaching Federation and the co-founder of Authentic Education. And that's Australia's only two-time BRW award-winning coach training organization. Not only am I making a positive impact in people's lives, but I actually get to work my own hours. And at this point, my family and I live a very comfortable life because of all of my love of personal development and my love of being a coach. And the best thing is you can actually do this as well, even if you don't have any prior coaching experience. You just need to love personal development and love helping people, and you're on your way to becoming a highly in-demand and highly paid coach on any topic that you're passionate about. And here's the best part. You could be a coach from anywhere in the world because all you really need is a mobile telephone and a headset to coach someone. You can coach your clients on the shores of Bali or Vanuatu or in the castles of the Czech Republic while traveling through France and London or even at the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, which is exactly what I have done over the years. Literally anywhere you want, as long as you have a mobile phone and a headset, you're ready to coach. So if you're looking for a financial return on investment from your love of personal development while creating a fulfilling life by helping people and having fun, consider becoming a coach. Use that personal development fuel to get your coaching vehicle going so you can start helping people as soon as possible. Because if you want to get paid for all of your personal development experience, you need to convert your experience into something that gets exchanged in the marketplace, which is fundamentally through coaching or consulting services. Now, if you're curious about becoming a coach, or you're already a coach and want to grow your coaching business, I would like to invite you to a free upcoming course called How to Become a Highly Successful Coach. To learn more or to book your free ticket to this event, simply click the link in this post. Now, you might be thinking, what did he just say? Free? What's the catch, right? Well, there is no catch. There's definitely no catch. It's free because we use a marketing method called freemium. Just like Zoom and Spotify and Gmail are free, they deliver great value for free, and a small percentage of people want more and decide to invest in the premium version, which makes it a win-win for everyone. And we do exactly the same thing. So it's absolutely free for you to attend, but don't let the free price tag fool you. It's going to be a full day that is absolutely jam-packed with incredible rock-solid content. I will show you the step-by-step process of how to convert your personal development knowledge into $100,000 in your first year as a coach, no matter where you are in the world. So secure your free spot for how to become a highly successful coach right now by clicking the link in this post, and I'll see you soon.